Okay, so now that you've decided who you want to be for your diary, you're going to think about what you're going to talk about in your diary entry. So I decided I'm going to be a Mexican woman who wants to find gold in the West. I want to talk about what it's been like looking for gold. Like she got there, what did she have to buy, what, like, how did she learn to look for gold, who did she meet, so what it's like looking for gold in the West. Okay, so I want you to think about what could you talk about in your diary. Okay, you could talk about what life is like as a cowboy if you decide you want to be a black cowboy. You could talk about what life is like traveling to the West. Okay, in the Oregon Trail, what do you have to eat, what stuff could you bring, what happened to people as you're traveling. Number three, you could talk about what life is like on the Trail of Tears, what it was like to be forced out of your home as a Native American, what it's like being forced to walk to the West. You could talk about what it's like building the Transcontinental Railroad. Where did you come from? What do you have to do during the day? What supplies do they give you? Or you could talk about, like I did, what it's like looking for gold in California. So you are going to now decide, now that you've done this already, right? You decided who you want to be. You're now going to think about what is it you want to talk about. So here are some ideas, and here are the ideas that we just went over. You're going to answer it in the box to the left, and you're going to answer it in your graphic organizer that's in your exit ticket. That way it can help you when you are planning your diary. Okay? Go do that.